How to fix indexing in progress error on iPhone after iOS 27 update. First, make sure that your internet is working properly. Now scroll down. Here tap on General. Now tap on Software Update and update your iPhone software. Now go back. Scroll down. Here tap on Language and Region and select your region to US or UK or another spotted country. Now go back. Scroll down. Here tap on Siri. If you have joined waitlist, now scroll down. Here tap on turn Siri off. Now turn it off. Now scroll up. Now tap on language and select English US or UK as your language. Now go back. Now enable Siri. Now continue. After this go back. Restart your device. After restarting your problem will be fixed within 1 or 2 days.